Hey, what's up, guys? Today, I'm gonna fix this. Ooh. My mom's visor. Look, Pancho. No, he didn't freak out. And it kind of goes. It's weird, guys, because it has two wires and there's no light in it. Maybe there is, maybe there isn't, I don't know. But it has these two clips that I need to pop off, and all I bought is this and these two tools, and I want to pop them out. What are you barking at, Pancho? Some dude. Alright, let's see. Oops, I already messed it up. Well, it doesn't matter because it has a cover already. So when it comes off, it comes off. I think you have to do it like this and then take it off. This is not working at all. First of all, how does this one work? There's two clips. I don't think there's any gentle way to do it. Just rip it off and then the other one just pops in there. Because I guess just like that. And the other one just pops in there. It even came with extra clips. You guys hear that weird song? We're in Japan, guys. Check it out. So it just pops in there. This is trash. Well, it still has a window. Give it to Pancho. Here, Pancho. Arr. Arr, arr. Arr, arr. Oh, you farty dog. Guys, I want a raspa, guys. That's the most funniest thing I've ever freaking heard. What the hell is that thing? What is this thing? The other one didn't have this, guys. It didn't have this white thing on there, so it's kind of not fitting. I'm not doing it right. I think this one's with a light. But this one didn't come with a light, so I don't think it's gonna work. And it doesn't fit in there. It didn't come with a light, so it's not gonna fit. Because the other one didn't come with no plastic thing. So it's just this piece. Think I should take it off? No wonder. Why doesn't it move? Yeah, it goes in there like that. Get that for sale. It's a cool little truck. Check it out, guys. It's a little Ford. It's a cool little truck for sale. I think he was selling his and like he saw mine. Like, whoa, look at that. Oh shit. No. Well, the clips are in there. It's this stupid little thing. Yeah, take it off. Well, I'm gonna have to use it like that. Damn you, clips. It was in there, guys. It's just the clips. I think that white thing is not supposed to be there. I think there it goes, guys. I don't know if you guys saw that. Kind of clipped in there. It's one of those things that it just clips in there and clips in there. Boy, mommy, shark, 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 shark. How does that song go? That's the ice cream man. Or a woman. Grandma's shark. What the hell? Look at that, look at that, look at that. Ooh, baby. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Yeah, and it won't fall on your face anymore. Pretty cool, guys. And that's how you change a visor on a 2007 Toyota Camry. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Nice. Oh! He's like, nah, man. No, Pancho. Here, Pancho. Your toy. Arr, bite it. Look at his butt. What is wrong with you? Look at him, look at him. He wants to be scratched. You dirty goon. Boy, mommy shark. Ah, the kids are coming out. Oh, the ice cream man passed there. Boy, Grandpa Shark, guys. Grandpa Shark. Okay. Let's go hunt for Grandpa Shark. Oh. Ran away. Yeah. Run away, Pancho. Yeah, the trip, huh? Trippy vlog went wild. That's pretty cool, I guess. That's what they listen to, the kids. Was Pancho, 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 Pancho.